Cylindrical gear manufacturing has a variety of facets, and they all need to be aligned in order to produce a final product that meets fit, form, function, and drawing requirements. On a good part that meets print requirements, the deviations of a measured tooth trace from the design profile or helix are within the acceptable limits of the accuracy level. These accuracy levels are specified on the part print per a designated gear accuracy standard such as ANSI AGMA ISO 1328-1-B14. When there are discrepancies in the manufacturing process, the deviations are greater than the acceptable limits of the accuracy level. These deviations show up as errors on gear inspection reports, or gear charts. In an effort to troubleshoot the possible factors that cause errors, it is important to first identify the most common manufacturing errors. By recognizing the manufacturing errors, their potential root causes can be identified, and their impact understood. Once the root cause is identified, finally, the problem can be corrected. To correct the problems, it is essential to follow proper techniques to align the machine, its components, and the part. It is important that both the machine and the part are aligned at every operational step throughout the manufacturing process to ensure production of a good part.